pasta is ready. Look at that. Looking delicious, yummilicious and delicious. So let me quickly show you guys the ingredients needed for this recipe. So we are going to be using pasta, and that is 500 grams, 1 tin of tomato, that is chili, that is kipule, sorry, that's chicken seasoning, paprika powder, that's white pepper. I have onion, garlic, and the ginger is somewhere. And this is my blended celery. That is some salt. I use half of this in cleaning the chicken that I'm going to be using. So the chicken is already prepared, and now I have my empty pot. Go ahead and place some salt. I added a bit of oil so that the pasta will not stick while cooking. Bring in the water. Allow the water to boil before adding your spaghetti into the boiling water. It is always advisable to boil spaghetti in boiling water so that the pasta will not stick the pot. And here's my hot pepper sauce. I make pepper sauce and I keep it in the freezer to eat because my kids do not eat pepper. So the cooking time was between 9 to 11 minutes. Pasta is ready. So guys, in order for us to season the chicken, this is one seasoning cube. I'm just going to place it inside like so. I'm going to be using this my bouillon seasoning aux légumes. Poivre blanc or white pepper. This is my chicken seasoning, sorry. So okay, I will go ahead and mix everything nicely with my hands. Allow this to marinate for 20 minutes because I don't have enough time before I take it to the oven. So guys, stay tuned. This is simple marinade. Do what works for you. When I marinate the chicken like this, it tastes so delicious, and my family and I actually enjoy it this way. So I'm going to be topping it up with my green seasoning. I always have that stored in the freezer. So that is ginger, garlic, celery, green onions, and parsley, nicely blended. I put them in small cups and store them in the refrigerator. And I forgot to remove that one. I always remove it earlier, so, and this helps to ease my cooking. Stay tuned, guys. So this is the chicken I'm about to bake for. So this is the chicken I'm about to bake for. So guys, this is what the end result of the pasta looks like. If you have watched up to this extent, thank you so much for watching. Bye. High five. Bye, and see you in our next video.